Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Suno AI, a new feature of Microsoft Copilot that lets you create music with AI. Suno AI is a tool that can help you compose songs based on a textual description of a musical style. You can also add lyrics and vocals to your songs using natural language commands and queries. Suno AI is powered by OpenAI's GPT-4 platform, which is a large-scale neural network that can generate natural language from any input. To use Suno AI, you need to have Windows 11 and Microsoft 365 installed on your device. You also need to enable Copilot, which is an AI-powered assistant that can help you write code, documents, emails, and more. You can enable Copilot by visiting copilot.microsoft.com and logging in with your Microsoft account. Once you have Copilot enabled, you can access Suno AI from the Copilot plugins menu. To start creating music with Suno AI, you need to write a prompt that describes the type of music you want to make. For example, you can write something like create a pop song about adventures with your family or make a rap song with a catchy chorus. Suno AI will then generate a song based on your prompt, which you can listen to and edit. You can also chat with Suno AI to give feedback, ask questions, or request changes to your song. For example, you can say things like change the tempo to 120 BPM or add a guitar solo after the second verse. Suno AI will respond to your commands and queries and update your song accordingly. Suno AI can also generate lyrics and vocals for your song, if you want. You can either write your own lyrics or let Suno AI write them for you. You can also choose the voice type, language, and accent of the singer. For example, you can say things like write lyrics for the chorus or sing the song with a female voice in English with a British accent. Suno AI will then generate lyrics and vocals for your song, which you can also listen to and edit. Suno AI is a fun and easy way to create music with AI, regardless of your musical background or skill level. You can use it to express your creativity, experiment with different genres and styles, or just have fun. You can also save, share, or export your songs to other apps or platforms. Suno AI is a new feature of Microsoft Copilot, which is a powerful AI assistant that can help you with various tasks and projects. You can learn more about Suno AI and Copilot by visiting their websites or reading the articles I have linked in the description below. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of music you would like to create with Suno AI. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.